What is going on YouTube? It's Sanky and we are back with another one. Alright guys, so in this drop I'm coming at you with a couple of money grab play ideas for next week. But before I get the show on the road, if you'd like to help out the channel by hitting that like button. If you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. Alright guys, so it's that time when I put some easy money plays on your radar, aka swing trade plays, ahead of next week in the markets. You guys know we have our long-term plays, we hit some option plays as well, and we do our swing trade plays every week. Different ways to play the market. Now by doing this, it allows you guys to get some quick cash out of the market. You guys could do whatever you want with it. Now the secret to success with these easy money plays is that you guys are in and out quickly within a week, and you are cutting losses early if needs be and moving to the next winning play. You guys know I'll give you that 360 strategy with these easy money plays. That is your entry prices, your exit prices, as well as your stop limits to set on them. Easy money plays, they're a way to have a bit of fun in the market, blow off a little bit of steam, play it from a different angle. So as I say, I've got a couple of plays I'm going to put on your radar ahead of tomorrow's opening bell in the stock market. Alright guys, let's get ready for the first one. So the first one I've got for that's 3x short Neo Granite shares, ticker symbol 3SNI, currently standing $2.38. Now if you're new to Granite 3X, what it does is it aims to deliver 3 times the daily performance of the underlying play. Now because we're going short here, if Neo drops 5%, this will move up 15%. Now with the 3X Granite, you want to use these as short-term plays. You want to be in and out of them. You don't want to be holding on to them too long. Now we know next week Neo are coming out with their earnings on Thursday. And we know it's earnings season right now for a lot of plays, and it's causing a lot of volatility across the market. Now a lot of plays are under scrutiny from the investors during earnings season, and Neo is just going to be another play under the watchful eye of the street. So I'm going to put this on your radar ahead of some potential volatility we might encounter in that Neo stock price. So that's why if that Neo stock price comes down, you guys will win off this 3X Granite play. Now come the Neo earnings next week, if they put one foot out of line, whether that's revenues are slightly down, they miss EPS targets, or even guidance is not up to scratch, you will see some downwards volatility in that Neo stock price. Now in other news, I am long Neo. They are in the portfolio, got a sizable position, and I'm expecting big things from them this year as we move forward. But we know right now the market is testing on these growth plays. The EV sector is on thin ice right now, but we can use this volatility to our advantage with moves like this. That's why I say to you guys, regardless of whether the market goes up or down, we can win. We just have to strategize and move accordingly with plays like this or option plays when the market is moving downwards. Now in terms of the exit price on this one, you want to jump out between $2.75 and $3. Also stop limit price on this one is $2.10. Let's move to the next one. The next one I've got for you, that's Silvergate Capital, ticker symbol SI, currently standing $115. Now this one's been sliding down this week in tandem with the movement that we've seen in crypto, but this one's opened up a good entry as an easy money play. Now I could have put several crypto plays on your radar, but this one in particular I want to let you guys know about because this is a banking play, so different to the mining plays that are a bit more volatile. This play has history when it comes to the financial side of crypto. They're also established in the market with clients such as Coinbase, Binance, and that list is continuing to grow. So this is a real player in the crypto space. Not only that, they also crushed their earnings this week as well. So this is a quality play that we also hold in the long-term growth portfolio, but given that volatility profile, makes them an ideal easy money play that I'm going to put on your radar ahead of next week in the markets. Now that being said, let's talk about how we're going to engage with this one. I'm going to need you guys to set your stop limit at 105. If there's any downward volatility, move to the next winning play. Entry is looking like now, as long as we're seeing stability in crypto or even some momentum to kick next week off, and exit is $140 on this play. Let's move to the next one. So the next one I've got for you, that's American Battery Metals, ticker symbol ABML, current standing $1.92. Now we've seen this play in free fall over the last couple of weeks until they hit a turning point this week that opens up an opportunity to pull what we call a buy in momentum maneuver on this play. So if we go into the next couple of trading sessions, general market sentiment is good, so you're seeing a lot of those growth plays rise. Gives you guys an opportunity to piggyback off the momentum we've seen in this play this week. And this one I'm expecting them to hit some resistance around that 220, 230 mark, and that serves as your exit from this play. As I say, with all of these plays, guys, I'm going to need you to set your stop limit on this one, and stop limit is coming in at $1.50 on American Battery Metals. Alright, so those are the easy money plays I want to bring to your attention ahead of next week in the markets. Now make sure you guys are sticking to the script That is setting your stop limits on these plays, not getting greedy. When you hit our exit prices, cash out of them. Now, as I say, use these easy money plays as a way to blow off some steam in the market, have a bit of fun with it. We build our real wealth over in our growth plays. Let's talk about how we can level up as investors. So I'm going to talk to you guys about earnings season, because next week is a big week for a number of our plays. I've already spoken to you guys about Neo, Tesla releasing theirs, Pinterest also. Now, me as an investor and the rest of the street, there's a couple of things we're going to keep a close eye on when it comes to their earnings that I'm going to bring to your attention, so you guys are able to dive into the numbers and follow along with us. So revenues, we want to see them coming in strong for the last quarter, but very importantly, good guidance moving forward. Also, we want to see margin improvement. You guys know I always talk about that path to profitability with our plays, and that's a key indicator right there. Not to mention the price of sales, price to earnings, we're going to keep tabs on. And you guys know I've taught you about those things, how you calculate them and why they're important. So I just want to bring that to your attention because we are deep into earnings season right now. But regardless, you guys know in the background, I'll be tearing through the numbers and letting you guys know what strategic moves we're going to be making next. So if you've been rocking with the channel, you know what time it is. And this question comes from ZX Corbin, says, what's your end of year price target for skills? So let's dive into this one. Now, I know this is a question a lot you're going to have after that price action we've seen in skills over the last couple of weeks, and in particular this last week where we've seen that turning point in that stock and some good upwards momentum. Now, before I get to that end of year price target, I'm going to let you guys know how I get there. So not only am I running the technicals on these plays, looking at various chart patterns and indicators, but heavy on the fundamentals as well to understand the business inside and out. Now, we know skills have got the NFL partnership that will diversify the games on their platform, open up them to a whole new range of gamers. Also, we know the industry is in rapid growth mode right now. So various other things are indicating growth for skills moving forward. We also know on their financial side coming in strong. So end of year price tag on skills is $30. So that's good upside from the current price. But what you guys will know is, given where they're at right now and given that end of year price target, we should expect some slowdown in the momentum you guys have seen this week, some consolidation, bits of pullbacks as we go through the year. As I say, I'm expecting resistance at that $20 mark and the $25 mark before they hit that $30 mark. That's why I say when you're jumping into skills, you want to nibble at this play, grabbing a couple of shares, and over the next couple of trading sessions, increasing your positions in case you guys can get better prices in the teens. Now, despite the short seller attacks, the stock offering skills remains a big potential play moving forward, and we as investors, we set to gain a windfall from this play. So that wraps things up. Now, on your way out, do drop me down some comments and some questions. It's good to hear from you guys. And if you're new, join the movement by hitting that subscribe. Now, you guys are set with the growth plays for next week. Also, if you guys can handle the heat of our easy money plays, you guys got those as well. So ahead of Monday morning's opening bell in the stock market, one last thing to say, let's go.